Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change small letters to capital letters in Excel. Let's get started. To convert lowercase letters to uppercase within a cell, begin by selecting the target cell. Next, input the equal sign and start typing out the function upward. Select the suggested function and proceed by indicating the cell containing the text you want to switch to uppercase. Here it is, the text in the cell B3. So we'll click on B3, close the brackets, hit enter, and here we go. All uppercase now. If necessary, replicate the function across multiple rows by dragging and dropping, thereby converting all data to uppercase. Now here's a crucial point. Any alterations made in the source cell will automatically reflect in the converted text. Why? Because we employed a function for the conversion as evident when clicking into the cell B3. But what if you prefer to store only the converted text values and not retain the function in the data table? No worries, that's easy to do. Highlight the converted data, then use the Control key and C to copy the cell contents. Next, head to Paste up top and choose Values to ensure that only the converted text resides in each cell. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.